guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm here with Afsisterwig once more. You know, they're nice gift-like looking packaging as usual. So I always like the fact that they put that little bow on the box. Makes me feel good to get the package. Makes me feel like I'm getting a gift. But so this is the wig. So first of all, we're working with a Swiss lace front wig today, okay guys? So what they did send is like a bunch of different kind of laces. You know, you see me get this before, where I get Swiss lace wig and they send like a bunch of laces, so I can show you guys the difference with the laces and you know why Swiss lace stands out that much. I got a little scrunchie here, I got an extra elastic band, and I got a wig cap, and that's everything that came in the box today. So this wig actually has some fake scalp to it. I love that. Love that. As I said, and the rest of it is Swiss lace. So it came with these beautiful body wave curls to it already, and I'm so happy. It's 16 inches long, okay, and it's a 13 by 6 Swiss lace. It's very soft and silky, so I love that. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box. It's a natural color, as you can see. All right, the construction of the cap, it has 4 combs in total. You have a section where you can add the extra elastic band if you need it, and it has adjustable straps in the back. So it's a standard cap construction. Now it did come pre-plucked, so that's really nice. And my number one kind of lace to get is Swiss lace. The only thing with it, you gotta be super delicate because the lace can tear easier than the rest because it's thinner, and that's how it melts down into the scalp or the skin that nicely and camouflages so well. So before we jump any further into the video, I just want to give you guys jogging memory a little bit, even though I've showed you this before. So I have the 3 laces here. This one being the normal medium brown lace that you get on a lot of wigs. This one, the transparent lace, normal transparent lace, and this is a Swiss lace. Now with the normal medium brown lace, it's still visible on the skin. I don't know if you can pick that out. It still works, but it's more visible on the skin. With the normal lace, I actually like normal lace as well. You know, I don't have much problem. The only thing I'd like to camouflage it sometime a little bit more with my powder or such. With the Swiss lace, it's literally like invisible because it's the thinnest of them all. And so, you know, that's why you need to be a little more careful with it, because it's a little bit more stretchy and it just melts down so easily. So this one, yeah, it's really undetectable, you know, so I love that with the Swiss lace. So just to jog your memory, the label is on it. But yeah, I did that for you guys. So also one more thing, I mentioned that the wig does have fake scalp. So just to remind you why fake scalp is good, you can, with a fake scalp, you don't need to do braids, you don't need to do ball cap method, you don't need to put on a wig cap if you don't feel like, because this creates like that barrier for you. So that's the good advantage of a nice fake scalp, you know. So just to clear that up for you, now that I got that out of the way and I refreshed you guys' memory, I'm going to go ahead and just install this, show you how nice the Swiss lace actually melts down.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you,
so I'm actually going to be using glue to do my install today. I totally forgot, so I was just going to start using my gut and I was like, wait, no, I'm gluing my install. I'm gluing my wig today, so I'm happy that I remembered. I'm using this glue, my Kiss. I've been sticking with this for a while now, so yeah, I bought a brand new one because I was all out. And this one, I guess it's new, but it says waterproof. It says waterproof in the back, so yeah. I actually got the glue, and I got the glue remover. It's always good when you get the like lace glues to get the remover for it. So the other day, like a previous video, I used this one. It's the waterproof one. It's another waterproof one. To be honest, it really operated like a regular lace glue. Yeah, it did not really give what it was supposed to. It had a good hold just like any other lace glue, but I'm just giving you guys an honest review. It didn't like not lift after 3 days. Body waves that came in the hair, like it's life. Oh, I can't imagine when I go ahead and just, oh wow, this is so nice. Definitely the vibe I'm going for.
Lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you, that I get when looking down from the sky.
So I'm all done with the hair. I unraveled the clips and it's looking really good, exactly how I want it to fall. You know, that nice bouncy but still sleek look. Exactly what I wanted. It's the right length, everything. And oh, can we talk about the lace? The lace is absolutely like next to invisible. It's really nice. The lace is really nice, very undetectable. So that's exactly, you know, what we're going for, like all the time. The most natural look possible. So shout out to Afsisterwig for that. Once more, let me give you guys a back view of this wig. Really simple and classy look with this wig today. I love the length, everything, the bounce, the movement, everything. I did get a little bit of shedding, by the way, just to point that out, a minimal shedding. So definitely, yeah, that's there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, and I will see you in my next video. So until then, just gonna big up on yourself.